How to make a wasp trap out of a soda bottle. Wasps are natural predators. They prey on other insects that can destroy gardens. Generally, they avoid human activity. Wasps do become a problem when they nest near a home, garden, or other location where people will gather. Wasps become defensive when their nest is disturbed. Traps are most effective when set out in the spring. They will trap and drown queens as they search for a place to nest. Things you will need: 2-liter soda bottle, sharp utility knife, water, vinegar, dish soap, peanut butter. Cut off the top of a 2-liter soda bottle. Make the cut just above the shoulder of the bottle. Fill the bottom of the 2-liter soda bottle with water. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar to the water. Add a few drops of dish soap to the water. Vinegar will discourage honeybees and bumblebees from entering the trap. Dish soap will keep wasps from treading water. Apply peanut butter to the neck of the bottle. Turn the top of the 2-liter bottle upside and insert it into the bottom of the bottle. This creates a funnel for the wasps to walk down into the bottle. Most will fall into the water and drown. Empty the trap daily. The trap will be ineffective if too many wasps are floating on the water. The floating wasps will create a raft that they can land on, increasing their survival rate. Tips: warnings. Set the wasp trap 4 feet above the ground for best results.